guys, welcome to another line dance tutorial here at Buckle and Boots. I'm Katie, and today I have Ray, Cody, Misty, and Lacey here with me, and we're going to be learning one shot. This is a 32 count beginner line dance choreographed by Kevin Ligon. Let's start with a quick demo.
No filter, said a lot of stuff that I don't remember. Lord knows I'm guilty of a lot of sins that I don't want to live with. Mom would probably cut me off the family tree if she heard half the stories people telling me. Oh, there's proof, Insta's out there telling all my truth. I can't lie, so I own it. Been a rough week, so what I deserve it. Sorry to the Uber guy that took me home. It's kinda sad, but I'm kinda glad I'm waking up alone. I started with one.
Let's get started. We're gonna turn around and face the back. This dance starts with 2 cha-chas, one on the right and one on the left, and then 4 steps forward, starting on your right. Ready? 5, 6, 7, and right, left, left. Walk 1, 2, 3, 4. Moving on, our weight's on our left foot. We're going to rock forward on our right, so rock forward. Then we're going to recover and do what's called a coaster step on our right. Coaster step, steps back on our right, meet it with your left, and forward on your right. Let's do that a little bit quicker. So we rock forward on our right, rock forward, and coaster step. All right, let's put all of that together. 5, 6, 7, and cha-cha, cha-cha. Walk 1, 2, 3, 4, rock forward, coaster step. Moving on, we're going to follow that up with a half turn. So we're going to step forward on our left, do a half turn on our right. Hi guys. And we're going to step on our left and stomp on our right. Let's do that a little quicker. So we're going to step on our left and do a half turn. Step, stomp. Good. All right, that's the first half of the dance. Let's put it all together. 5, 6, 7, and cha-cha, cha-cha. Walk 1, 2, 3, 4, rock forward, coaster step, half turn, and step, stomp. All right, the next steps, we have 2 grapevines, one to the right and one to the left. A grapevine goes step out, step behind, out, touch, and then out, behind, out. Instead of touching, you're going to scuff. All right, taking it from that scuff, we're going to step on your right, then step on your left, making sure to face a different wall, then do a right coaster step. Right, left, right. Now going the opposite way, step left, right, left. And that's the dance. All right, we've learned the whole thing. Let's walk it through again. 5, 6, 7, and cha-cha, cha-cha. Walk 1, 2, 3, 4, rock forward, coaster step, half turn, step, stomp. Now grapevine to the right and grapevine to the left. Scuff, right, left, coaster step, left, right, coaster step. That's it. We know the whole dance. Let's put it together with the music. Don't forget, this dance has 1 restart. It comes after the first 16 counts on the 4th wall, but we'll show you right now. Make sure once you feel comfortable, you keep your eyes on Ray over there. He's going to add a little extra flair. Five, 6, 7, and cha-cha. Walk 1, 2, 3, 4, rock forward. Half turn, step, stomp. Now grapevine. And grapevine, step, coaster. Start over, cha-cha. Walk 1, 2, 3, 4. This is the 4th wall. This is where you restart right here. Cha-cha. Walk 1, 2, 3, 4. All right, perfect. Thanks for watching. We'll see you this weekend here on the dance floor at Buckle and Boots.
I was actually